Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm going to show you squats here with your arm springs. You can do this on a Cadillac, a tower, or a wall unit. If you're gonna do squats with your arm springs, make sure you've tried them first with the rollback bar. That's actually gonna be a nice prep for you. It'll transfer your strength from both sides. When you do it with the arm springs, it's actually going to be a little bit more difficult because you have a strong side and you have a weak side. So if you found this by using the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcard deck for the Cadillac and Tower, thank you so much for using that deck. I love hearing how you use it, so tell me in the comments below. If you haven't gotten that deck yet, make sure you do. We actually have 3 decks. We're working on we'll have 6 decks total. So check them all out and see which ones work best for you in your practice. Now let's squat. So you want to actually set yourself up with parallel feet, elbows up at the height of your shoulders. We're not bending here. All right. So we want to have, we're not bicep curling, I should say. You want to have a nice open elbow, and then you'll just squat down and come back up. Now, at the gym, you might squat like this. I'm actually gonna have you almost slide down like you're gonna water ski, or you could end up all the way squatting down into like a rolling like a ball. Now, we're not hanging off those springs though. So we go down and up with those elbows in line with our shoulders. The springs open enough, but we're not hanging off of them. And if that goes really well, check out the single leg squats. That's a different video. Or you can add on. You can round forward, push your hands towards the floor, pull them back towards your feet, reach them forward, roll it up, and then you can go into a squat again. So you round, you reach, oh my goodness, without leaning, you roll up, and you squat down. Now you want to hear the tricky part is I'm supposed to stay connected even when I lose tension on the spring right there. That transfer of the hands is the hardest part. So give it a whirl. Again, make sure you do it with the rollback bar before you do the arm springs. If you want to play with all these exercises together, check us out at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.